Clean eating diet plan for a healthier life. What is a clean eating meal plan? A clean eating meal plan includes tons of fresh fruits and veggies, high fiber whole grains and legumes, healthy fats and lean proteins, like fish and chicken. The goal is to choose nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds, while minimizing the intake of processed and refined foods that may have negative health effects. Here are some key principles typically associated with a clean eating meal plan. Balanced meals. Creating balanced meals that include a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats to provide sustained energy and promote satiety. Whole grains. Opting for whole grains over refined grains to increase fiber intake and improve overall nutritional content. Fresh fruits and vegetables, including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to ensure a wide range of nutrients. Lean proteins. Choosing lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and legumes, while minimizing the intake of processed and red meats. Healthy fats. Incorporating sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, while reducing the consumption of trans fats and saturated fats. Limited added sugars. Minimizing the consumption of added sugars and opting for natural sweeteners when necessary. Mindful eating. Paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, and practicing mindful eating to foster a healthy relationship with food. Hydration. Staying adequately hydrated by drinking water throughout the day. Limiting processed foods. Avoiding or minimizing the intake of heavily processed foods that often contain additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. Some clean eating meal plan with 1200 calories. Here's we have some sample clean eating meal plan with approximately 1200 calories. Keep in mind that individual calorie needs vary, and it's essential to adjust portion sizes based on your specific requirements. Additionally, consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is recommended for personalized advice. Day 1. Breakfast, 300 calories. Oatmeal made with water or almond milk, topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Mid-morning snack, 150 calories. Greek yogurt with a handful of almonds. Lunch, 350 calories. Grilled chicken breast or tofu salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a vinaigrette dressing. Afternoon snack, 100 calories. Sliced cucumber and carrot sticks with hummus. Dinner, 300 calories. Baked salmon or a plant-based protein, such as lentils or chickpeas. Quinoa or brown rice. Steamed broccoli and asparagus. Evening snack, 50 calories. Herbal tea or a small piece of fruit, e.g., apple or pear. Day 2. Breakfast, 300 calories. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Whole grain toast. A small apple. Mid-morning snack, 150 calories. Mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Lunch, 350 calories. Quinoa salad with black beans, corn, cherry tomatoes, and avocado. Grilled chicken breast or tofu. Afternoon snack, 100 calories. Celery sticks with almond butter. Dinner, 300 calories. Baked cod or a plant-based protein, such as tempeh. Steamed sweet potatoes. Sautéed kale with garlic. Evening snack, 50 calories. Herbal tea or a small handful of mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pistachios.